Along with adding labels to our model, we can add dimensions to the model, and it will be quite helpful and explanatory for the viewers. So if I want to add dimensions, we have this dimensions tool here, and even you can find it under the tools. We have this dimensions here. So you can see when I select dimensions, and it is very similar to the what I can say tape measure tool, and when I left click it here and then I will drag, you can see it has now creating a started calculating the distance my cursor have moved, as well as the point it is waiting for my endpoint. And when I will click on the endpoint and drag it anywhere I want and another click, you can see it has given the length of the roof that we have, that is 17.790 meter, and it is quite helpful. So if I want to provide another measure, another width, you can see I have able to do that, and even for the angled we have proper help in this. So you can see how I am managing it to do it. Okay, wait, another I have to measure here, like the thickness of this is 32.302 meter, as well as if I want to measure the depthness of this swimming pool, I will click it somewhere here and till here, okay, wait, it's from, we need two endpoints. I will click it here and here, and we can move in any direction along the axis, and it's 1.3 meter depth. So it's quite helpful for us to demarcate our model, and it is quite helpful for the presentation, while the user of this particular model will be very much knowing the depth or the dimensions in the model that we have created. So try this tool by yourself. These tools, the previous tool, that is a text tool, as well as this dimension tool, are very straightforward tools which help us to mark and dimension and label the model to increase the understanding of the viewer, as well as it helps us to create proper presentation during SketchUp modeling. So once you get excelled in this particular tool, you will find it really helpful for you.